In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Preflight tool in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC to fix PDF UA issues. We'll walk through a quick, reliable workflow to catch and correct common accessibility problems, so your PDF is closer to the PDF/UA1 standard. Start by opening your document in Acrobat Pro DC. At the top, go to the Tools tab and choose Print Production. This workspace contains professional quality controls. If your layout looks a little different, that's normal. Just make sure you are in Acrobat Pro DC, not Reader. On the right-hand pane within Print Production, click Preflight. The Preflight dialog is where Acrobat stores hundreds of checks and fixes for standards and compliance. Make sure you are on the Profiles tab, because we're going to use a predefined accessibility profile. Expand the PDF/UA section or simply use the search field and type UA. From the results, select either PDF/UA1 or Fix PDF/UA1 accessibility issues. These profiles are designed to validate and repair common barriers to accessibility, such as missing document structure, tagging inconsistencies, and metadata gaps, helping assistive technologies interpret your content more reliably. Next, click the Analyze and Fix button, the one with the wrench icon. Acrobat will scan your file and apply the automatic corrections available in that profile, depending on file size and complexity. This can take a moment. Keep in mind that Preflight can automate a lot, but it can't solve everything. For example, it can't invent meaningful alt text for complex images, and it won't rewrite headings. Still, it's an essential first pass that removes many routine issues quickly. When the analysis completes, Acrobat will prompt you to save the document so it can finalize the fixes. Save the file, ideally with a new name, to preserve your original as a backup. The act of saving is what applies the changes the profile made during the repair process. After saving, run a final check to confirm the results. You can reopen Preflight and run the same PDF/UA1 profile to verify that issues are cleared. Or use the built-in accessibility check to review remaining warnings and errors. You are looking for a clean report or at least a shorter list of items that may need manual attention, like reading order refinement or alt text review. If anything remains, note it for follow-up remediation outside of this automated pass. And that's the process. Thanks for watching.